Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So really quick video. What is the best ingredient to lighten your spots, scars, pigmentation? If you ask me, I would say licorice, because licorice contains this compound called glapridin, whose main work is to lighten your skin. So over time, if you keep using licorice, your complexion also will change, plus it will also reduce your scars, pigmentation and spots. You will see that in a lot of my face packs I like using licorice. Now a lot of people have this doubt if licorice promotes hair growth if you use it on your skin. The answer is no. It's about how you use it. Like methi, if you grind methi seeds and apply it on your hair, it is great for your hair growth. But if you grind it and add some curd and apply it on your face, it's a great face pack. It is extremely good as this anti-aging face pack. So it's about how you use it. So licorice herb, if you boil that in water and drink it, it's great for hair growth. But applying this on your skin, on your body, will just help it to, lighten your skin, your spots, uneven skin tone. Now, how do I use this? The simplest way I can say is take some licorice powder, add some turmeric to it, add some water, mix it, make it into a paste and apply it. You can also add licorice powder in any of your masks. Whatever masks I've shown you till now, you can add licorice to it. It is extremely good. You can also add licorice with basin and use it as a body wash. It is extremely good. So if you would ask me, licorice is, I would say, the best ingredient when it comes to pigmentation and scars and fading away pimple marks, or these those really dark patches that you get around your mouth and your nose. This is excellent for that. Looks like this. You can use any brand. Any brand will do. Whatever brand I use, I will leave it down in the description box. It is very simple to use. Someone had asked me about licorice, and that's the reason I thought it was necessary to make a video on this. I really like this ingredient. Anything else that I'm forgetting? Okay, how I like using it. I like using this with basin, gram flour, and I would add equal amount of basin, equal amount of licorice, add a pinch of turmeric, and use green tea instead of water to make it into a paste. It's an amazing pack. It will work amazing as a mask to lighten your spots, your pigmentation, your scars. And green tea is excellent as an antioxidant, so it's excellent for your skin. And yeah, so that's it. This is what I wanted to say, because someone had asked me about it. Someone had the doubt about the hair growth and I wanted to clarify. This is the best when it comes to lightening your spots.